Hey everyone, is your Total Wireless data not working? No worries, in this video, I'll walk you through quick and easy fixes to get your mobile data up and running again. Let's fix it. SIM card issues such as damage or improper seating, incorrect APN settings that prevent data access, network outages or maintenance affecting service availability, exhausted data allowance or plan restrictions, device settings such as airplane mode being enabled or mobile data turned off. Fix 1. Try restarting your device. Fix 1. Try restarting your device. Restarting can clear temporary glitches in the software that may affect connectivity. iOS restart. Press and hold either the volume button and the side button, iPhone X and later, or the top button, iPhone 8 or earlier, until the power off slider appears, then drag the slider to turn off the device. After the device turn off, press and hold the side button, iPhone X and later, or the top button, iPhone 8 or earlier, until you see the Apple logo to turn it back on. Android restart. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds until the power menu appears, then tap restart or reboot. If the phone is unresponsive, press and hold the power button for 10 to 20 seconds to force a restart. Fix 2. Check SIM card. The SIM card may be improperly seated, damaged, or inactive, preventing your device from connecting to the mobile network. Remove and reinsert the SIM card. Power off your device. Repeat the process of ejecting the SIM tray using the SIM eject tool or a paper clip. Remove the existing SIM card from the tray. Place the new SIM card into the tray, ensuring the notch is aligned properly. Fully insert the tray back into the device until it clicks securely. Fix the refresh network settings. Turn on or off airplane mode will search and connect with the strong signal. For iOS, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center, tap the airplane mode icon and turn it on or off. For Android, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings, tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on or off. Fix 4. Check coverage. Ensure that you are in an area with adequate network coverage. Sometimes the issue arises simply because you are out of range of the network. Go to Total Wireless Coverage Map page, scroll down and enter your location address, press enter to check the coverage. Fix 5. Check usage. If your balance is expired, your service will be cancelled automatically after a certain period of time. Ensure you have enough fund in your account. Method 1. Using text message. Open message app, text usage to 611611. You will get the usage details to your phone. Method 2. Using website or a app. Log into Total Wireless account using app or a website. Go to dashboard and click on My Plan section where you can see the usage. Fix 6. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings will refresh and boost the network connection. For Android, go to Settings, then System, then go to Advanced, Reset Options, tap Reset, Wi Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Confirm the reset. For iOS, go to Settings, then go to General, Reset, tab Reset Network Settings, enter a passcode if prompted. Update APN settings manually. Try updating the APN settings manually. For iOS device, go to Settings, then Cellular, then go to Cellular Data, enable LTE, add the APN with the following details. APN VZW Internet MMSC http mms.vtex.com servlet mms protocol IPv4 or IPv6. Leave other section blank. For Android, go to Settings, then Internet and Connection, go to Mobile Networks, Access Point Name, tap 3-dot menu at the right corner. Select Add, enter the following details. Name Total, APN, VZW Internet, MMSC, http mms.vtex.com /servlet/mms, MCC 311, MNC 480, APN type default, MMS supple, APN protocol IPv4 or IPv6, APN roaming protocol IPv4, leave the other section blank. Contact Total Wireless support. If you have changed the Total Wireless SIM to new phone, you might SMS issue. You have to contact Total Wireless support. Call their customer service at 1-866-663-3633. Support is available from 8 a.m. to 11:45 p.m. EST 7 days a week. Engage in real-time chat support on their website. Available from 8 a.m. to 3 a.m. EST daily. For set service options, text 611 611 from your Total Wireless phone.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.